Dimension Data. The GSIP. Now, what is the GSIP? The GSIP stands for Group Services Introductory Process. Now, what does that mean? It is a process to help develop and launch quality services in a consistent and timely manner which are aligned to the group strategies. The GSIP ensures that the accountability for development and deployment is accepted by all the group functions. The GSIP falls into the broader Product Lifecycle Management framework. The framework has 6 stages. It starts with concept. What is the market looking for? The next stage is feasibility. Will it make money? Next, we have the planning stage, ensuring that we have the right resources in place to execute on our goals. The next stage is the service design and development stage. This is where the GSIP lives. The next stage is operations flow, getting to a state of business as usual. The last stage in the product lifecycle management is either to retire the product if it is not relevant anymore, or to modify it so that it is still relevant within the market. Let's take a closer look at the service design and development function. And as you remember, this is where the GSIP lives. There are 7 stages within the Group Services Introductory Process, namely, initiate, feasibility, design, build, test, launch, and close. The first stage in the GSIP process is initiate. This is the initial part of the project where we get all the resources needed in the project together in a room to make sure that we're all on the same page. The next stage is feasibility, which is similar to the product lifecycle management feasibility stage that we had just spoken about, except it goes into a little bit more detail, ensuring that it is legally feasible, it is market related, does it have commercial value. The next stage is the design stage, where we begin to put the pieces of the puzzle together. We start to architect the solution. The next stage, build. That is where we start to construct the service, putting the pieces together that we had designed in the previous stage. The next stage is test. This is where we go through a series of user acceptance testing to make sure that what we built is fit for purpose. The next stage is launch. This is where we deploy into the various regions to make sure that our clients within those regions can get served at a global level. And the last stage is to close. Sign off on a successful service, a job well done. The principles that drive agility through the GSIP evolution process are flexibility, fuzzy gates, fluidity, focus, and forever green. Flexibility. The process is not a straitjacket process. Projects are routed through processes according to specific risk levels and needs. Stages and deliverables can be missed, provided decisions are made consciously with full understanding of risks involved and stakeholder approval. Fuzzy gates. Gate statuses are not binary, for example, open or closed. The process supports conditional go decisions based on some future events occurring. Fluidity. The GSIP evolution process allows for overlapping stages. Projects can start at the next stage before the previous ones are complete. Focus. At the feasibility stage within the GSIP evolution process, we make sure to weed out the weak projects and allow for effective portfolio management. Forever green. We are constantly renewing, redesigning, and improving the process as we gain experience and knowledge. This process will help you to develop and launch quality services in a consistent and timely manner, which are aligned to our group strategy.